and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder of connectwiththekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. So today we are also gonna make another app which is called as heads or tails. So basically we are gonna make a coin flip app, a toss app, and we'll just make it more spicy and keep it named heads or tails. So are we ready to do it? I can hear a yes. So let's start. Yep. So let me just keep you over here. So first let me show you. Okay, so you can see this is the code. Okay, so now yes. So first I'm just going to show you a demo of how we are gonna get this, so that after that you will get. So how many coin tosses are you going to do? It means that how many times are we gonna play this? How many times we want to toss it? So for example, I want to toss it 2 times. So in the first time I got head, and after 1 second I've got tail. Then I've got the results are, so heads also came 1 time and tail also came 1 time. Okay. Now if we run again, like we can give any. If I give 10, see, heads first, then tails, then heads, then tails, then heads, then tails, then heads. Tails. So the results that 3 times we got heads and tails 7 times. Okay, so now let's jump right in the code. I don't know why it's showing Saiasmi. Must be a grammar error. So first we are doing from the random library, import random. Obviously we are going to need random, cause random's random function, cause you will get to know when you move on. So then you will see from time import sleep. You will get to know why are we like doing it. So first we are making 2 variables, heads and tails, which both value are 0. Why have we made heads and tails? We have made heads and tails so that at the end, when all the tosses are done, we get to know how many times did we get tails and how many times we get heads. Okay. Then we are gonna do flip is equals to int input. How many coin tosses are you going to do? So whatever value gets will be saved as an integer. Okay. So now we are putting a for loop. Now over here you'll get to know why did we import random and take rand int, and why did we take sleep, right? So that is, see, for I in range flip. So this flip whatever this after this input, whatever the value is, that is the for loop that we will loop on the flips value. Okay. So now for example, wait, like for example I have given 10, right? So it will do 0 to 10, like it will make a range, 0 to 9. Okay. Now result is equal to random 0 or 1. So here we are doing random 0 to 1. Now you must be thinking, as we are doing heads and tails, why are we doing 0 or 1? That is because over here we'll get to, like, I'll tell you over here, it's just coming. So it's gonna just choose 0 or 1, any random number, and after it has chosen, it will sleep for 1 second. So like after it has chosen, it will sleep, like it will wait for 1 second. Wait, who is it? 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Sorry guys, that was my mom. There was a bit misunderstanding. So yeah. So after it has chosen a random number, like it will either choose 0 or 1, then it's gonna sleep for 1 second. Basically it will wait for 1 second. Okay. Now if results value is equals to 0. Okay, so print heads. So basically we are using 0 as heads and 1 as tails, like so that we like 0 as heads and 1 as tails. Okay, so if it has chosen 0, and if this statement is true, it will print heads, and then at number 1 it will add 1 um, in this heads value, and it will change like from 0 to 1. Okay, and if this statement is false and it has chosen 1, so it will go in the else statement and print tails and change tails variable's value, and from 0 make it 1. Okay, so now after it's done all the looping and the loop is finished, then it's gonna print the results are, then print heads is equals to heads, that we need to get to know, right, that how many times we got heads and how many times we got tails. So we have put heads is equals to, like, in question marks, so it should get question marks, no quotations, and then heads, that basically it will print this heads variables value, and then I just copy pasted this and did here and just changed it to tails. So basically what we did was, like, we made two variables heads and tails, we gave an input, we did made a for loop and asked it to pick random 0 or 1. After it picks it, it will wait for 1 second. If it's 0, it will print head, and heads variables value will change, and if it's 1, then it will print tails, and tails variables value will change, and then we are just printing. Okay, so now let's just play this once. So here, how many coin tosses are you going to do? I am obviously not gonna do 100, but I want to show you. See, first it's getting tails, then heads, then tails, then heads. You know, like, you see, it's waiting for 1 second. If we didn't put sleep, then it would, like, basically, like, it would, like, all get it, like, together. It won't, like, wait for 1 second. It will, like, get it all together. So let's just stop this code. I'll show you. If we didn't put sleep here, then it would get it all together. It won't wait much time. See, it has just got it all together, and it didn't wait for 1 second, which doesn't look so good, right? So I think we should put that back. Am I right? Yes. So let's just see this once again. Come on. Run! Run! Let me just reload this. La 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 la. See, and when we put like that, so it was getting head, tails, then tails, then tails, then tails, then heads, then tails, then heads, then tails, and right. So I wanted to show you it's not gonna go like heads and tails and heads and tails and heads and tails. It's gonna pick it randomly, okay? As we have given the random. And we are done with heads. Oops. This was just the Christmas hack. So, And we are done with our thoughts, heads or tails, and our thoughts game is done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you did this side by side with me. And here we see you have made your own toss game. Isn't that cool? Right? So I'll be soon coming up with a very special video. Very special video, and that will be today. Can't tell you because it's a surprise. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have subscribed my channel. And so yes, thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Before I say that, happy Holi, belated happy Holi. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe.